we have created this much data, and now what I want to teach you, like if you want to add multiple rows, how you can add. So first of all, what we will do, we want a table in such a way that some person, under the one person like Clifford White, how many are completed, and Clifford White how much has been closed. So how we can create, just click on this table anywhere in the pivot table and select the responsibility, click on this thing and paste it over here above the status column. So what will happen? Automatically the data will be refined in such a way that under the Avage Liche, total 2 tasks are closed, 14 are completed, and 3, or we can say 4, 3 are left and 1 is overdue. So likewise all the data has been updated. If you want that according to the status. So just you have to switch over in between these two rows. So drag down the responsibility to below one, and then status will be on the top side. So this will give the result in a different view. So I hope this is clear for you. And now let us go back again in this way. So this is our final data where we can easily understand that under the which person how much data are how much tasks are in pending status or it's completed or overdue, so we can notify them to take the any action immediately. So this way you can refine your data. So in the next tutorial we will learn more, but just one thing here I want to mention, like if you want to remove the data, just you have to click on this, you can remove from the row and automatically it will be deleted. Let me do Control Z, just a minute, or I can update here, or else you can just deselect it from here, it will automatically removed from the pivot data. So this is just a small tutorial over here I want to mention for you regarding the data refining with the help of the pivot table. And in the next tutorial we will understand about the timeline slicer and more.